Hey, what's up? It's Silver Tree over here. I guess I want to record another video and show you my ballad song skills. So this is a ballad song. This is one that I got. It cost me like $10. I got it like a year ago. I haven't used it in months, but I did learn a couple of tricks. Let me show it to you. Let's see. This is a simple one. The first one I learned. You gotta open it, put it back, and you close it. Hopefully it's able to focus. There we go. Now there's like another opening now. Put it back. Turn around. And like a stab. Little switch, something like that. It's not like a really weird opening too. I guess like a overpass or circle, anyways. And then you wait out this one. And then you go overhand and you get it. And you open it. Like that. It's really hard. I'm not very good at it. But yeah, the one I really know is this one. Not very good. Ugh. There you go. Again, hopefully you're able to see it.